one of the two equations in a system of linear equations is given. And that's this one. The system has no solution. Okay, so that means the coefficient of x and coefficient of y must agree with the first equation here, but different number or different constant must be shown. Like we should not have negative 45 or its equivalent in the second equation. So keeping that in mind, we need to choose the second equation from the answer choice. And I also noticed the top equation can be simplified by dividing 3, which is the greatest common factor of 3, 36, and 45. And trust me that you want to play with something simpler rather than carrying the big number. So 3x over 3 will give you x, and 36 over 3 will give you 12y, and 45 over 3 will give you minus 15. Okay, so if you rewrite the first equation, it will be like x minus 4y, when you subtract 4y on both sides, is equal to 0. If you move the 12x, well, the x are same, but 12y's are not going to be same. I mean, it will be like what? X minus 12y equals negative 15. 12y, 4y, not good. Okay, they need to be same. Okay, if we had negative minus 12y, yeah, that would be the answer. So choice A is out. Choice B, we have 1/3 x minus 4y. I just subtract 4y just like in choice A. I'm gonna get 0. So if you now multiply this equation by 3, you get x minus 12y equals 0, and this works. Okay, we just showed you earlier the top equation can be written in standard form. X minus 12y equals negative 15. And choice B is giving us x minus 12y equals 0. In other words, we can substitute the negative 15 where x minus 12y is in the second equation. Negative 15 is not equal to 0 under all circumstances. Therefore, that agrees with no solution condition in the system of equations. Therefore, B is the correct answer. Now, if you want to go with C and D, you can try that. You know what, let's do it, okay, for practice purpose. And I know that there might be some students studying for PSAT, or like if you're like 6th grade learning this, I cheer for you guys. And if you're studying for the upcoming SAT exam, I cheer for you as well. Anyway, if you do the same thing for C, you will get x minus 12y equals negative 15. Now, you might say, oh, it's the same. But you have negative 15, they match. So this is infinitely many solution because both equations are same, and that's not no solution condition. So choice C is not correct. And choice D, no. Okay, the moment I see that 1/3 x and 12y, if you multiply the bottom equation by 3, x equals 36y. Okay, so you have same x, but if you move this to the left, you get negative 36y. Then it's not matching coefficient for y's. Then you get one solution instead of no solution. So you can eliminate choice D. And yes, the answer should be B.